Great, wonderful. So now let's look at the pronunciation, and then we'll try with another couple. Afterwards, we'll move on to our grammar lesson. So here,
Right.
good afternoon. Okay, so this always when we have a vowel um, by the next word, something like this. So here there is a vowel after this D. Okay, usually what happens when English people talk in a natural way of speaking, this D goes with A. Okay, so this becomes good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So they don't say good afternoon in natural way of speaking, in connected speech, in uh, in received pronunciation. So they don't say good afternoon, but it becomes like good afternoon,
What
good
time's the
afternoon.
next train? What time's the
How
next
can I help you? How can I help you? That's okay. How can I help you?
train? Help you?
Hello? Yes. I've, this one is
I want to,
I've
I
just
want to,
missed
I,
this D, okay? D after unvoiced sounds pronounced as T, okay? This becomes T, and missed. I've just missed my train. Okay, in this case, it becomes T sound. Missed my train. Yeah. Ah, where are, this where, okay, here it divides. Since it's A, like this one, okay, since it's A, this R goes with A. So it becomes, where are you going? Where are you going? So go, this O and this I, they become connected. Okay, they become linked. Then they are pronounced as going, going. Okay, to Manchester, to Manchester. Ah, yes, that was the 1620. What times? What times? What
what
times?
time?
The next one. What times? The next one. Let's see. The next train to Manchester. Next train. So here we don't give sound to this T. The next train, next train, next train. Since they are similar or same consonants, if
Next.
ending word and the starting word has same sound or letter, be it consonant, one sound will be dropped. This is natural way of speaking English. So the next train, the next train to Manchester leaves S after vowels, S after vowels becomes Z sound,
Leaves.
like bee buzzing, not like zebra or zipper, but this is like bee buzzing sound. This bees sound.
Leaves.
Okay, leaves, leaves at, leaves at, leaves at, leaves at. To Manchester leaves at 17:15 from platform. This T becomes glottalized. This T is kind of not released um, from your vocal cord. So you just stop the T just in.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, Rahul.
Can you repeat the leaves at?
Leaves, leaves at. That's because before S,
Can you repeat the leaves at?
leaves at, leaves at. So this S becomes Z, and that S Z joins with A.
Leaves and
Okay, since it's A after the consonant, vowel sound always not only A, but A, E, I, O, U, and all other vowel sounds that has a power to get the consonant sounds into it. Okay, so this becomes leaves at, leaves at, leaves at. Okay, Manchester leaves at 17:15. From platform, this becomes platform. So this T, we don't release that T. Just hold the T within your articulation system, within your throat.
Okay.
Okay, so leaves at 17:15 from platform 2. Platform 2. In previous classes, we didn't look like this in all lessons, but now I think it's time to turn our way of speaking. Okay, so we kind of now looking at things which are little advanced. Okay, so I hope it would help you. Okay, and 17:15. So that this is S, since it's T, it's a consonant. So that doesn't make any changes. So that quarter past 5, quarter past 5. So this T also is not much pronounced. Quarter past 5, platform 2, platform 2. What time? So this T and T, one T goes out and one T isn't pronounced. So what time, what time, what time, what time does, this is a S, this S goes after a vowel sound, after a vowel sound becomes does. Does it get to Manchester? Get to, get to. Okay, so this T also isn't pronounced. Get to Manchester. At 18:30, 6:30, 6:30. Can I use the same ticket? Same ticket. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. This is moment, not movement. Movement is moving, shaking, moving from one place to another. But this is moment, moment. Just a moment, just a moment. When you say this T also goes with A, just a moment, just a moment, just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. This becomes Z. Can I see your ticket? Can I see your ticket? Yes, here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Sorry. No, you can't use this ticket on the 17:15 train. Really? Why not? This ticket is valid on trains before,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is it ticket or ticket?
Both way is okay, but ticket is better. It is better.
Ticket.
Ticket, yeah. In received pronunciation, that's ticket.
Okay.
Okay, received pronunciation, yes. All right. There we go. Sorry, no, you can't use this ticket on the 17:15 train. Really? Why not? This ticket is valid, but if you look at this sentence, it's a bit different from the previous ones. In previous all places, it is used contractedly, but here is plainly used. Do you know why? And what are the difference? Can you guess any reason for it? This is and are not contracted. Can you guess why could that be? Because it's a strong negation. It's a strong no situation. So when we say something, when we deny something, when we say something is not possible, it's better to use plain form, not contracted form. Okay, so that's what has happened here. This ticket is valid on trains before 5 and after 7 o'clock. During rush hour, tickets are more expensive. More expensive. So this R gets sound here as it is followed by a vowel.
More expensive.
Okay, more expensive, more expensive, more expensive. This ticket is valid on trains before 5 and after 7 o'clock. During rush hour, tickets are more expensive. Or do I have to buy another ticket? Do I have to buy another ticket? Yes, well, I can change your old ticket for a new ticket. Your ticket cost. What is this verb, cost? Is it correct what they have used here?
Pound.
What form of verb is this?
It's a symbol for pound.
Simple?
Sir,
Symbol.
it's a singular verb and cost should be at S to the word, the end of the word.
I couldn't get you, Miss Achini.
We should add S letter to the end of the word verb.
Okay.
Cost.
Okay, understand. I expected this from someone. Oops, what happened? Okay, costs. But here, this is past verb. Your ticket cost already 7.5 pounds, 7 pounds and 50. It's already, you bought it for this price. And the new ticket is 11 pounds. Okay, so it's correct. This is correct. This is a question I got from another student from a different batch. So that's why I asked the same question to you. So this is not simple present singular verb, but it's a past verb of coast. Okay, hope it's clear. This means you have already bought this ticket for the price of £7 and 50 cents. And the new ticket is £11. So you just pay the difference, which is £3 and 50. Okay, what platform? So here this T and the other T aren't pronounced in natural way of speaking. What platform is it from? Is it from? Is always pronounced as is with S sound, with that buzzy being sound, because I is vowel. So always we pronounce is as is, not is. Platform 2, just over there, on the other side, So when we say on the other, that's the other side. It is pronounced kind of like this way, the other side. So we look at the linking sound later on, but as of now, just please consider when there is the and added a word with O starting, that becomes yeah, the other side, okay. Okay, thanks, bye, all right, bye. Right, are there any questions on this, please?